over with, my guy. Man, it bro.
This way.
Oh my god, did she just walk into the... Did she just walk into the lava? What is going on, guys? So it's been a minute since we did a What's That About video on the old school Superman classics. Let's go ahead and get into this. Super plain name. Stupid man.
Possessing remarkable physical strength, Superman fights a never-ending battle for truth and justice. Disguised as a mild-mannered newspaper reporter.
Bro, what salon is he going to and telling them to give me the swirly bang?
On this peaceful island crowned by the great volcano Mount Mauna Kea occurred the mightiest eruption that ever shook the earth, burying the beautiful city beneath it in molten lava and creating destructive tidal waves that raced around the world. For 300 years, this mighty volcano lay dormant. A new and more beautiful city sprang up at its base. But now, after centuries...
I never understood people creating cities around volcanoes. Like, maybe just take that L. We can't live here. Y'all get these cities right around these volcanoes, so as soon as the volcanoes sneeze, you over with.
...of inactivity, slight tremors are being felt. At the Bureau of Meteorology, a group of scientists watchfully check delicate instruments to determine the seriousness of this renewed activity.
So they measuring a seismic wave. Listen, that mug went off quick. It was like, all right, we're doing studying and everything goes wrong right now. Instruments record volcanic disturbance. Dormant Mauna Kea awakening. Oh my God, U.S. engineers leave to study Mauna Kea, and they show Superman and Lois Lane. I think that's Superman. Man, she finna do this boy bogus as hell.
And I want you to send me some real stories. Now, here are your steamship tickets, and here are your press passes. You'll need these down there. Goodbye, good luck, and for Pete's sake, see if you two can work together for a change.
Man!
Chief.
So long.
She finna play this boy. Pier 3. So they set and sail towards the island. Boy, wait, what? What? Look at how feminine these guards look. Not they got y'all in rompers with some black clogs and brown socks. Y'all look feminine as hell, bro. She put on different clothes this time. They clean.
That's funny. Say, Lois, do you have my press pass?
She played that boy already. She played him already. And look how she look. She looking at him like, stupid bastard.
What makes you think I've got it?
Sorry, sir, but you'll have to get one down at headquarters.
Wow.
You go on ahead, Lois, and I'll join you later. Now, what did I do with...
I don't understand it. She always get in trouble. She always need help. When you want to have somebody with you that could possibly help you, you always doing your best to finesse.
Poor Clark. Too bad he lost his pass.
Wow, bro. I swear, Lois Lane, she is the pettiest. Y'all wait till he get all the way over here in Hawaii or wherever y'all at.
Indications
we can expect things to start popping at any time. In order to save the city, we've decided to blast the higher rim of the crater, thereby diverting the flow of lava away from the city and into the ocean below.
Oh, that sounds like a terrible idea. So instead of y'all for to cause an explosion on top of the volcano to try to create a bigger hole in a different direction away from the city, and how about instead of doing that, don't build the city right next to the volcano? That way the volcano can volcano the way it's supposed to.
Is the chief in? I'd like to see him about a press pass.
He'll be back shortly. Won't you have a seat?
Thanks.
Dang. She done already failed.
Wait here.
And she in instant trouble.
Set up that corridor.
Why is it that when everything goes down, everybody want to go for the phone? Social media, bro, I swear.
Hello?
Can't nobody hear you, my guys. It's a volcano erupting.
Hello? Miss Lane.
My gosh. That whole plan y'all had is over with.
Blast! Blast!
It's over with, and it didn't cut the rope. Dead. Over with, my guy.
Look out!
Man, it bro.
Miss Lane, this way.
Oh my god, did she just walk into the... Did she just walk into the lava? Did she just walk into the lava? Did, oh my... What you got?
Lois. This looks like a job for Superman.
Alright, so this explosion has been going on for quite a while now. My thing is this too. You don't need a season pass or whatever the hell shit they talking about. You can fly. So wherever access and all that stuff you need, you can easily get there. You don't need no season pass. Don't need to go to the police department and sit around for hours. What are you doing? You heard all this stuff going on and was still sitting in the waiting room waiting for a hall pass. And then you did this in the police station. Somebody was there. What about the dude at the front desk? And he almost got hit. What the are you doing? How are you up on a power line above lava in a pantsuit? Oh my gosh. Okay. Boy, if you don't get up, how is she up there doing this? It's going straight for the city. They're dead. Whoever that house was, they're dead. She's still up here. Get. Oh, she made it to the, oh my gosh. She finally made a noise. How about let's get out of this area? Somebody in there? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That was halfway smart. Now what is he finna do? Yeah, it's over with. Gosh. Wow. Why is she typing like she did something? Lois Lane literally did nothing. She typing like, well, this better be a juicy story.
How's the story coming, Lois?
Oh, fine, Clark. Too bad you weren't in on it.
Maybe I would have been if I hadn't lost my past.
Why did he call her out on it? I would have, oh my God. I would have slapped her with that hall pass. God, bro, this is so annoying. Lois Lane literally walked into the facility. She was following the guy who was guiding her. Everything started going left immediately. She didn't get any like real information. She didn't get no story or anything like that. Everything went left immediately. They couldn't set the bomb off to deflect where the lava was flowing because the rocks hit that line and cut it in half. And then she ran around, jumped on a power line and shimmied on that for like 12 minutes. Screamed, Superman grabbed her, and then that was literally it. I don't get it. Every story you almost die. When you want a close friend or somebody with you? Bro, I swear these Superman episodes be frustrating me, yo. That one just gave me a whole headache. I was just screaming and yelling the whole time. That is it for this video, you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will catch you guys soon. Peace.